Samsung is making moves, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra just took a big step toward launch. If you're a Galaxy fan or planning your next flagship upgrade, this is something you don't want to miss. Samsung is gearing up for its next premium flagship lineup, the Galaxy S26 series, and now the Galaxy S26 Ultra has officially appeared in Thailand's NBTC certification database. This is a strong sign that the launch is getting closer. The listing was spotted by trusted tipster Mukul Sharma on X and clearly confirms the phone's official name, Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. It also reveals the model number SMS948B-DS. Here's why that matters. B confirms it's the global variant. DS means dual SIM support, making it ideal for international users. In simple words, Samsung is preparing this phone for multiple global markets. Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, and Galaxy S26 Ultra at its Galaxy Unpacked event in February 2026. Interestingly, this would be about 1 month later than the Galaxy S25 series, which launched in January, suggesting Samsung may be refining things even more this time. Now let's talk about what makes the Galaxy S26 Ultra exciting. A massive 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display, possibly using Samsung's new M14 OLED panel, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 Elite for Galaxy processor. Expected 12 GB RAM with up to 1 TB storage, a 5,000 mAh battery with 60 watts wired and 25 watts wireless charging. Camera lovers are in for a treat. The S26 Ultra is rumored to feature 200 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel 5x periscope telephoto, 10 megapixel 3x telephoto, 50 megapixels ultra-wide camera, plus an upgraded front camera with a wider field of view for better selfies and video calls. What makes this even more solid is that the Galaxy S26 Ultra has already appeared on the FCC database in the US and 3C certification site before this NBTC listing. All these certifications together clearly show that Samsung is actively preparing for a worldwide launch. If you found this update helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for the latest Samsung leaks and One UI updates, and comment below. Are you excited about the Galaxy S26 Ultra or waiting for another model? Stay tuned, because more Galaxy S26 leaks are coming very soon.